Reinforcing a door to prevent kick-ins starts with the right fasteners and aligning hardware precisely. Begin by selecting the correct screw length and material for your door frame and strike plate. Use screws that penetrate at least 3 inches into the framing studs rather than just into the door jamb. Stainless steel or coated structural screws resist shear and corrosion better than short sheet metal screws. When preparing the door jamb, avoid over-chiseling the mortise. Remove only enough wood for the strike plate to sit flush so the surrounding jamb remains structurally intact. Align the lock bolt, latch, and strike plate on a single plane by closing the door slowly and marking the contact points. Then adjust the strike plate and latch plate so the bolt does not rub or bind. If adding a reinforcing plate or security kit, confirm the kit components are dimensionally compatible with your door thickness and edge geometry to prevent gaps or uneven load transfer. Finally, when installing long screws through the hinge and strike plates, pre-drill pilot holes slightly smaller than the screw shank to avoid splitting the framing and to ensure the screws seat fully and pull the assembly tight. The 3 most common mistakes are using screws that are too short, over-chiseling the jamb and misaligning hardware, and mixing incompatible components. Short screws fail because they only bite into the soft jamb and not the structural stud behind it. Fix this by measuring and using screws that reach the stud by at least 3 inches. Over-chiseling weakens the jamb by removing the wood needed to transfer force. Correct this by removing the minimum material necessary and fitting plates flush without hollowing the surrounding area. Mixing components like a heavy-duty strike plate with a latch that sits proud or a thicker door without adjusting backset creates gaps and binding. Resolve this by mock fitting all parts before final fastening and swapping components so all parts match the door thickness and lock backset. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and offers tools to compare skills and service types related to door reinforcement. We also help contractors find work and connect with neighbors through our discussion community, where users share experiences and practical tips.